Okay, so from this point forward, we're going to be using templates to create our tracks. A template is basically a pre-made session that has things set up the way you want. So we can make our templates extremely complex, but for now I've made a simple one, and you can find that right underneath the video here. So I recommend you download that template, and I'm going to show you how to install it right now. Go into your File Explorer or Finder on Mac, and then in your Downloads folder, you should see Lydian S1 template, starting point version 1. So what I'm going to do is double click this to unzip it. Now we've got it here. Inside this, there's 3 files, an image, a data file, and the template itself. All these need to go into our templates folder. The templates folder is found inside our Studio One folder. If you remember, the Studio One folder is in Documents. So here we are in Studio One folder. That was in Documents, then Studio One. If you're on Mac or PC, myself, right, I'm on my external hard drive, so that's where I have it. Inside of the Studio One folder, you'll find a templates folder. Now, if you don't see this, don't worry, you can just create it. You can just right-click, push New Folder, Create New Folder, and call it Templates. So I'm going to go back to the Downloads folder. I'm going to take all 3 of the files that are in the Lydian S1 template folder. I do that by clicking the first one, holding Shift, clicking the last one, and that gets me all 3 at once. And I'm going to drag this into the templates folder, like this. Here they are, starting point V1, 3 files, that's it. Now the template will be available inside of Studio One. So once you've done that, we can come back to Studio One. I'm going to close this current project, and we're going to create a new project, which is going to be where we make our loops. So I'm going to create new song, and now I see in my user category in the template section, not styles or interfaces, but user, you should see the L starting point V1. Give the song a title. I'm just going to call this Loopin' It Up. And we can click OK to create that. And now we got a blank session that's made from our template that has everything the way we like it. So I will see you in the next video for the task.